Now, during the last 2 years, we've been building out a brand new version of our platform called ClickFunnels 2.0, and this brand new platform will give you everything you need to be successful online, and I want to actually give you a free trial for the next 30 days so that during the challenge, you don't have to worry about paying for ClickFunnels, having the software. You'll get for free for 30 full days, and that'll give you the chance to go and launch your business, launch your funnel out into the world, and if you decide to get that free trial today, I'm going to give you the VIP experience. It's normally $197 for free. That's right. It doesn't mean you have to pay for both of those. Literally, if you just sign up for the free trial, I'm going to give you the VIP experience for free. Now, what's cool about this is that you're going to have the ability over the 30 days to use the ClickFunnels software to build your funnels, get out your websites, everything live online. And if for whatever reason you decide you don't want to have it, you can cancel before the 30 days is over and never pay anything, and you still get the VIP experience for free. Okay. Now, on top of that, I've also got a whole bunch of other cool bonuses to give you when you decide to get the VIP experience in ClickFunnels 2.0 today. The first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to send you out this huge box called Your First Funnel Box. It has a whole bunch of really cool things that you're going to be able to have for the challenge. The first thing is you will get a t-shirt, one of our ClickFunnels Funnel Hacker t-shirts. This will make you so you're officially part of the community. You have a chance to wear this shirt everywhere you go. And so this will be coming in the box. On top of that, we got a couple other really cool gifts. One of them is one of my favorite books. It's a book we put together called 30days.com. And this had 30 people who were in our ClickFunnels community who won a 2 Comma Club award. And I asked them, I said, what would you do if you lost everything in your business and you had to start over from scratch? What would you do from day number 1 to day number 30 to be successful again? And 30 people wrote down their day-by-day plans. They said, day number 1, I'd do this. Day number 2, I would do this. And they're all in this book. So you can literally open it up, find any of the chapters you'd be interested in, and start reading and start following the process day 1, day 2, all the way to day 30. And you can model exactly what these people did to be successful. So this is one of my favorite gifts. We don't sell this book anywhere right now, and we're going to send you a free copy of it, and so you're going to love the 30-day book. The other book we're going to give you is called the Funnel Hacker Cookbook, okay? Now, this cookbook is cool because there's a whole bunch of different types of funnels you can build in your businesses. There's funnels to generate leads. There's funnels to sell membership sites. There's funnels to sell webinars, high-ticket products. There's funnels for almost anything you can dream of, and this Funnel Hacker Cookbook is just like having a cookbook where you're cooking recipes for food and for dinner and for lunch, but instead they're all the different possible sales funnels, and they're all here inside this cookbook as well. And so this is also going to be inside of this challenge kit for you as well, okay? What's cool is you're going to get this challenge kit for free. Again, it's got the 30 days book, it's got the cookbook, it's got the t-shirt. This is something that kind of welcomes you to our community. This is something you'll put on your bookshelf. You're gonna wear the t-shirt, it's gonna make you part of our Funnel Hacker community, which I'm so excited for. On top of that though, you're also gonna get the VIP access, which means you get a chance to be in the green room behind the scenes with me and the other speakers, which is awesome. Normally that's a $197 experience. You get that for free. Another bonus I wanna throw in is that this 5-day challenge is gonna be happening. You're gonna watch the videos, you're gonna watch the VIP upgrades, you're like, oh, I wanna watch this over and over and over again. So the only way to get the recordings to the entire challenge and all the VIP experiences is by upgrading as well. And then the last thing again is the upgrade gives you access to ClickFunnels 2.0 for free for the next 30 days. Okay, we've had a waiting list of over 100,000 people waiting for 2.0 to come out, and the first people who are getting in are those VIPs who are here part of the challenge. So to get all these bonuses, to get this kit, to get all the cool stuff we talked about, all you gotta do is click the link down below, create your ClickFunnels 2.0 30-day trial. Okay, and then we'll send this box out to you in the mail. You're going to get the VIP experience. You have a chance to go through the entire training with us. You get the replays of it. And like I said, you're going to get a 30-day trial of ClickFunnels. And for whatever reason, as you're going through this experience, like, I don't want to use ClickFunnels, I want to cancel it. You can cancel it anytime you want, and you still keep the box, you can keep the kit, you can keep the VIP experience, you can keep the replays. All you do right now is just say maybe. This is not a yes or no. This is like, do I think I'm going to use ClickFunnels? You have no idea yet, but we're going to help you to build out your first funnel during the challenge. So you might as well get the software. It's free right now. You have it free for 30 full days, and then we'll have a chance to go through the experience. You'll build your funnel. At the end of it, you can decide, like, do I want to keep this funnel that's amazing? And hopefully, for most of you guys, the answer will be yes, of course. And that way, you just keep it. Otherwise, you can let us know. You can literally log in the members area and just click a button to cancel. You don't have to talk to anybody. But this is kind of the bribe because I want you to use the new ClickFunnels 2.0 platform. It is amazing. It's going to change your business. It'll probably change your life. It's because of that, we're giving this one-time only offer. We get this entire kit with all the books, the t-shirt. You get the VIP experience. You also get the recordings and replays of everything. And all you got to do is create a free 30-day trial to ClickFunnels 2.0 right now. Does that sound good? Awesome. All you got to do is click the link down below, fill out the form, and I will see you on the next page.